Hello, my name is Roberto Rodriguez. I'm the director here at Camp Training California. The weight loss was not necessarily our focus. The weight loss was going to be a byproduct of our physical activity and our nutrition plan that we had provided to us. We did a lot of team sports. Basketball, volleyball were the two popular ones. We played some soccer. Ultimate Frisbee was by far the most popular one. We did a lot of physical training or strength training, cardio training. Did circuits of those two. We'd find an open field and do circuits in groups of 5. And those could be really challenging. Did a lot of Zumba. Did a lot of that dancing kind of aerobics. Did some step aerobics as well. The facility here had a dance room, a mirrored dance room that we utilized a lot for the step aerobics, even yoga, Zumba, even cardio kickboxing. Nutrition was something different for the kids. Our nutritionist was a third year. The information was thorough, informative. Our physical activity coaches, our counselors did a great job of coming up with those circuit plans that we did. We did walk to nearby community parks. From this location, there's one 10 minutes away and another one that's 30 minutes away by foot. So we would pull everything in the wagon to get to our location, set up, and then do our activities. The pool was a nice little break from it all. It gave an opportunity for the counselors to have a break. It gave the kids an opportunity to have some time to themselves as well. Our highest weight loss was 47 pounds at the end of 6 weeks, 30 pounds at the end of 6 weeks, another 25-ish pounds I think it was at the end of 6 weeks. So we saw results.